What if it were your job to make the world a more beautiful, colorful place? Where would you start? Probably at home. You'd paint the walls, refinish the floors, seal the decks, repaint the whole house. Then you'd move on to the local school. You'd brighten up the classrooms, paint the halls, make the whole environment an exciting place to learn. You'd visit the local hospital, make it more cheerful and safer so patients heal faster. You'd swing by the office, install windows that let in light and keep out heat, and absorb pollution from the air, sort of like trees do. You'd travel in a car that looks new, even if it's not, because the paint makes every scratch disappear. And when it was time to catch a flight, you'd make sure the plane was energy efficient, with windows that keep the cabin cool, and paint that uses secrets of the eggplant to protect it from the sun. On your way home, you'd patch and paint the bridge you cross every day. Go through tunnels, give them a makeover too. All that would be a big job, more than one person can do. That's why at PPG we think it's something we all need to do. We create, invent, and formulate the amazing paints, coatings, and materials that make the world run faster, stronger, safer, smarter, sharper, cooler, lighter, leaner, greener, and better every day. We do whatever it takes to make the world a more protected, more beautiful place for the next generation that comes along.
Çünkü boya maliyetlerimizi %20 oranında azalttılar.
Çünkü sadece boya tedarikçimiz değil, aynı zamanda çözüm ortağımız.
Çünkü yüksek performans ve dayanıklılığı bir arada sunuyor.
Çünkü boyahane maliyetlerimizde %15'e varan iyileşmeler elde ettik.
Çünkü 133 yıllık tecrübesini inovasyon ile birleştiriyor.
PPG, we protect and beautify the world.